Dimples, not for Roxy, not for any of you guys.
Nung gumaganon, oh, tumitingin kung anong ginagawa ko.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. Oh, what is that? Ngayon pala is January it's January 21. Yung nose ko sobrang runny. Yesterday I was coughing, you know, constant, and now my nose is running. I don't know. It's 12 o'clock. Oh, hinihingal ako. Hold on guys. Naghalo-halo na yung emotion ko guys. Hinihingal, galit, gutom. yun ang ano ko ngayon. Hinihingal ako dahil I'm washing the bed sheets and everything in here, and alam nyo naman, maraming hagdan dito. So, magsasaing pa ako. I'm still have to cook some rice because I don't have rice. Hold on. My lens is so dirty. Hold on, guys. Naginugutom talaga ako, guys. Naginugutom. And also, yeah, this morning, kaninang umaga, guys, na ano ako, guys. Kaninang umaga, pagpunta ko sa baba, kumakain ako. At saka, so, nandun na kami, kaya kaming tatlo doon sa baba. Narinig ko, nag-usap sila, of course. So, narinig ko, so, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong pinag-usapan, pero alam ko ako na naman. So, sinabi ko sa asawa ko, ano ang pinagsasabi niya? Ano ang sinasabi niya sa iyo? Sabi ng asawa ko sa akin, yun daw, yung kurtina dito sa bahay, ba't kinuha ko raw? Ba't dinala ko daw doon? Wala na daw privacy dito. Anong walang privacy? Wag kang maghanap ng dahilan na para magalit na naman ako at para kami naman ang mag-asawa ko ang mag-aaway dahil galit ako. Kasi kung privacy lang ang pinagsasabi niya, may blinds dito, alam niyo naman, may blinds, di ba? At kung nakikita niyo ang kurtina palaging nasa gilid, hindi, kung privacy yun, ilagay mo palagi, at saka hindi naman yun see-through naman yun. Hindi talaga actually privacy. At kung privacy yun naman ang pag-uusapan, naghahanap lang niya ng yung ina mo, ng makikita niya para maano naman, halos na lang araw-araw may masabi, may hinahanap, or may dinala ako, or may tinatapon ako. Ano pa? What else? Pag nandito yung sister-in-law ko, hindi naman sinasabi na, but kasi yung mga blinds nakataas, open lahat, hindi siya nag-complain. Nag-complain siya kasi kinuha ko yung curtains na sa akin naman. Palagi yung nilagay sa ako naman ang isinauli ko kung ano dapat ang forma ng kurtina. Pagbalik ko dito, inanyo nyo sa gilid. So, bakit hinahanap nyo pa? Nilagay nyo naman sa gilid, walang ka ano. So, yun lang na inaano ko kasi maghanap talaga siya ng dahilan, guys, na kami ng mag-asawa ko ang magsasagutan. Kasi nagbo-boil na yung dugo ko kapag may marinig ako, at saka alam kong kahit ano-ano na lang ang pagsasabi. Yun lang, guys. So, magsasaing muna ako sa baba, guys. Doon muna ako kasi nandun yung mga aso. Ano pa ba? I-charge ko to. Kasi I'm gonna put what do I have to put here? I'm going to put all the cell phones. It's already done. Putting all the information, the Facebook, the messenger for my sisters and my mom. And also what else? I'm charging the other one. And this one I'm going to charge that I can put music on. That every time I drive, there is music. Hi guys! It's 4:49 in the afternoon. Oh my God, katatapos ko lang nag-edit. I just done editing the video, and oh my God, I'm gonna edit later on again for the next video because that tomorrow I have time because I have things to be, I don't know guys, the whole day that's all I did it. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog. It's just my memory card, it's just keep failing error, it says. But I'm gonna end this vlog because before I forgot, and maybe I will be back when time I get home. If I'm awake, I'm gonna vlog again when he get home. But anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, up. No bite. No bite, Roxy. No bite. Good girl. No bite is. I said no bite. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's 7:14 in the morning. Yes. Mataas na yung buhok ko. Tingnan. Mataas naman talaga siya. Tumaas na yung buhok ko. I just preparing all the phone for to send to the Philippines, because two Samsung S for me and my husband have that. It's been a long time planning to send this to my family, but I haven't done that yet. And also I thought it's gonna be a 3 phones. Well, it's 3, but this one you can't put SIM. I don't know, there's no SIM slot in here, but there is a how do you call that, a SD, like a SD card, but there's no SIM pack that you can put this one. So doesn't matter, I will send this anyway to my brother, because he's been asking for a tablet and I can't send tablet him yet. So I decided to give this to him with the camera. Very clear guys. This is the Samsung, I don't know, it says Samsung Galaxy is, it's right here. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy is, and it's the sliding one guys. Look, it's the one that is slide, and there's a keypad here. And what I did guys is update this one, delete the old apps that Tammy, because this is Tammy's old phone, first Samsung. Put a Google account for him to upload an app for game or stuff like that. So before that, so I upload a bunch of games already here, like Temple Run, Candy Crush, whatever is a game that kid love. What do you think you're doing to your brother, to your sister, huh? Itong si Roxy wise talaga. She was very wise girl because I went upstairs and then she jumped on the couch in that chair. She jumped in there, and then when she heard me running downstairs, I saw her jump in and then pretend like she wiggle and then like wiggle her butt and pretend that I don't know that she was from there. Yeah, this phone, I think I told you this one is no SIM, and this Samsung is for the Tommy used long time ago. It's for my younger sister, and then the other one is for the white one. I still charge this. The only problem of this one is the battery died so quick, so I guess they have to purchase another battery, or I'm gonna purchase before sending it to them. But I don't want to keep putting a lot of stuff, like a lot more batteries, because I don't know if they will let me. So ito yung iPad, hiningi ito ng sister ko guys. Ito pang music, Apple iPad, pero hindi ko muna ibigay kasi because I like this one for music. For example, like when I'm driving, and I love music when I'm driving, so I'm gonna use this with that. It's been a long time that I haven't used this one. I told her not now, and I'm gonna give it to her when I'm ready. Because can I just tell you something? Yeah, I can just give it to her because I have an iPhone. This is really attached to me because this is the first Apple that Tommy gave me, and there is a good story when he gave this to me. A good story, because I told him I don't want him to give me a birthday gift. I said I don't want a birthday gift. I want every time if you're gonna get me something, I'm gonna return it to wherever you bought it, that you can get your money back. And then said, okay, open it anyway, and then I will return it. And then I open it just the heck of it, like I wanna know what it is. And then and then when I open it, it's the generation 4. When this came out, that's where he got it, when the generation 4 came out, so that's what he got it for me. And then I said, okay, I will open it. So what happened, I opened it, and then I said, oh my god, I was shocked because it's the one they just released this one, and he got it for me. And I'm so surprised. He said, okay, put it back, I'm gonna return it to where I bought it. So I said, I said, no, I'm gonna keep it. So that's the story about it that I won't forget. That I decided to keep it, and they all make fun of me, like they all, like he just keep laughing and can't stop laughing, and he knows that I won't return this. That's why he let me open it anyway, and he just joking that he will return it after opening it. I will give it to her when the time comes that I can let it go. Tomorrow we're going to the house, and Tommy said bring the dog, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring the dog with me, but let's see. I am making some churros I got from Trader Joe's. It's right here. Ito yon, at saka yung sugar. May sasabihin ako sa inyo. Kahapon, andito ako sa dining, nagbabasa ng papel papunta dun sa kusina. Pagpunta ko dun, yung matanda ng anong tawag dun, nung gumaganon, tumitingin kung anong ginagawa ko. Nasakpan kung sa Bisaya pa. Na ko sa Tagalog. Sa Tagalog yung nasakpan. Dahan-dahan siyang umano nung lumakad at saka gumaganon. Kung anong ginagawa ko. Nasakpan talaga. Ano ba sa Tagalog yung nasakpan? Hindi ako, wala akong sinabi. Yung tingin ko lang masama yun. What are you barking? Ay, Diyos na, pagkagahig ulo, bayat ni mo, Rox. Gaya kag ulo, ay, ako kagibadlong, di kaminaw. Gaya kag ulo, ay. Di ko gananana, ay. Di ko ganahagahig ulo. Gusto na ako kanang humok og ulo. Ay, gusto na ako kanang humok og ulo ba? You just make your head-hearted. I won't give you anything. String beans from Costco. This one here. Yeah. Fine French beans. Dada. Go get Dada. Hi guys, look at me guys. Hairs everywhere. It is already 10:05. Tommy got here an hour ago. And he's having dinner right now. And me watching still the Practical Joker. Yeah, I'm just going to end this vlog guys. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to my house. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's not a long vlog. So yeah, so it's just nothing. I kind of sleepy. So yeah, that's
Not
it.
for you, Dimples. Not for Roxy. Not for any of you guys. You guys think you'll follow me around all day? You can have anything I have.
Bye guys. Good night.
Bye, guys.
Good night. Good night. Bye. Bye, Rox. Roxy, come here. Come here, Rox. Come here, Rox. The chicken is good, right?
Oh, I had a little more.
Honey.
I had a little piece of gold too.
So he has the chicken and pasta. Chicken is really good, guys. I'm gonna make a video how to make the chicken. It's really easy and it's tasty and it's juicy and it's really good for pasta, garlic, olive oil with garlic pasta. But tomorrow, guys, I'm planning to go to Tommy and I told Tommy to stop to Asian store. My eyes, guys, is so sleepy already. That I'm gonna get vegetables. I'm gonna make some tinola. Oh no, not tinola.
I think if we don't have stuff to take with us, then we should take these two clowns.
Stick.
Tick is a little bug that sucks the blood out
Not stick. Stick.
T-Hicks.
No, it's stick.